So for today's stuffed chicken breast wrapped in bacon, we first cut a slot into the chicken breast, ham, cheese, roll it up, open up the chicken and slide it in. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Here we go. Next we give it a little bit of seasoning with my sweet rub. The link for making this rub is down in the description. And now we're gonna wrap them in bacon. Also, if you want to make your bacon yourself, again, down in the description, there's the recipe for making the bacon. Now, secure the bacon with some skewers or toothpicks. So, coal is ashed over. Spreading over and setting up for indirect heat. Get the grate on. Get the lid on and get it to temperature, waiting another 10 minutes or so. So we have reached 180 degrees Celsius or 355 Fahrenheit. Time to get the chicken on. So that stays on now for around half an hour, and then we have another check. So half an hour's over. Now we're gonna glaze with the cherry barbecue sauce. Again, the link for how to make this sauce is down in the description. So give it another 15-20 minutes. Looking good. Now we're gonna check the temperature. Yes, we're having our 74. So, time to take it off.